Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to find Facebook friends on Spotify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? First of all, open Spotify software in your PC. After opening the software, here you will get this option friend activity, and here you will get this button connect with Facebook. So click on it. After that, here you have to put your Facebook email address or number. So I'm giving my one, and you have to put your password here. And now click on login and click on continue as your profile. After that, here we can see you have 2 friends on Spotify and these friends from my Facebook. This is how we can find Facebook friends on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it? Thanks for watching this video.